Hi Lagafor, hello guys. So today we are going to talk about one plant that is Homalomena rubescens, and this plant is actually very similar to Alocasia cucullata. And actually, if I am wrong, what this is plant, please comment on the comment box. So this plant I found on the neighborhood's backyard in the jungle. So I found the plant. Actually, it is maybe I thought it's philodendron, some kind of philodendron, but the family its family is Araceae, and Thaso ni no corny family. Thaso badi exactly Thaso ni no corny family Araceae. So Homalomena are tropical to subtropical native plants found in such humid climates of Colombia, Costa Rica, Borneo, Java, Sumatra, Malaysia and the Philippines. Nearly 135 species of Homalomena plants can be found in the rainforest flowers of Southern Asia east to Malaysia. So here I am going to pot it on the small poly bag. I took some garden soil and some compost, and I am mixing it, and I will pot it. So the foliage, because of I brought it because of foliage, and the foliage, the leaves look very good, and it's very nice. So leaves are of heart shape or semi-heart shape. And speaking to the common names for the Homalomena, it is called the Queen of Hearts. And the foliage and stems run to gamut from deep green reeds to the burgundies and copper tones. So I think this Homalomena houseplants do well in medium to low light exposures, but truly thrive in medium light conditions. So beko bara sandungo denanga beko isi low light out denango bara over sandungo denbathai ma jaयो बेनि बिलाइफोरा गोमो जायो आरो माने खामनायनि स्पट्स बिलाइयाव जानो हागौ आरो. So just avoid direct sunlight, and it loves the medium light, and it's very happy for and very happy plant for to grow in the medium light, and quite slowly it grows. And ओमफ्राय सासे आबैनियाव सोंदोंमोन आं बेखौ मा थास' होननानै. सोरबा बुङो गांजेमा थास', दाउस्रेम थास', ओमफ्राय आंबो मोजाङै मिथिया बर'नि मा बुङो. प्लिज सोरबा मिथियोबाथाय प्लिज कमेन्ट खालाम. आरो आयं बोरायनायावबो सोंदोंमोन बेखौ. आयंआबो होनदों बेखौ सिबुट थास' होननानै. आरो सोरबा होनदों बेखौ जाला लोंबाथाय ओंख्रियाव होयो, बिनि थानायफोरखौ ओंख्रियाव होनानै जायो होनो. So बेबो मोनसे थास'. आं बेखौ आल'केसिया बायदि नुदों आरो आल'केसिया कुलुकाटा बेखौ. बेफोर सब गासिबो थास'नि फेमिलि. So this is Philodendron Triparithum. आं एसे नायनायाव स्टाडि खालामनायाव नैखौ Philodendron Triparithum Triparithum आं एसे pronunciation आंनिया एसे wrong जानो हागौ एसे. So ignore that. ओमफ्राय बेयावबो same आङो same soil लादों, garden soil. I took the same garden soil and the compost and mixed. So I'm putting in the small poly bags, and the leaves look like very good. It's like triangle shape, and I think if it grows big, it will look very good. देरबाथाय एसे मोजां नुनो हागौ. आं बेखौ सेम जाने न' खाथिनिफ्राय हाग्रानिफ्राय लाना फैदों आङो. एसे वाइल्डसो एक्चुअलि बे ornamental plant नङा, वाइल्डसो. So आं बेखौबो लाना फैदों आं मोजां नुनायखाय माने. ओमफ्राय बेखौ स्टाडि खालामदों. आं सानो दे बे philodendronनि मोनसे फेमिलि जानो हागौ, माने मोनसे जेनेस philodendronनि जानो हागौ, philodendron Triparithumनि. ओमफ्राय बेबो सेम मिडियाम लाइटआव मोजां मोनो, माने बारा इमान सान्दुं नाङा आरो बेखौ. आरो दैखौ जुदि scheduled माने regular होबाथाय मोजां जायो watering schedule खौ so Homalomena plants do not like to be dry, nor they do like to be sitting in water. So बारा दैबो होनाङा मानो होनबाथाय अभार दै बाथाय सिङाव माबा रोदाफोराव दै जमा जाबाथाय सेवनो हागौ माबा सिंनि tube actually बे tuberous plant tuberous so बारा इमान केयार लानो नाङा बारा इमान जोथोन लानो नाङा बेखौ आरो बारा बेमार सोमजिया बेयाव so माने ल' लाइटफोरावनो माने बे थांनानै थायो so इमान माने बारा जि गायबाय आरो बेखौ माने गारना दोन माने बेयाव थांगोन आरो बेयो so आङो गायनानै बेखौ आङो उनाव पटआव गायस्लायगोन आं बेखौ मोजां नुयो मोजांथार बेनि बिलाइफोरा मोजां ट्रायंगल शेप माने मोननैखौबो मा साफा नुदों आरो बे मोनसेया जाहैबाय Homalomena मोनसेया जाहैबाय PHILODENDRON TRIPARITHUM if I am wrong then please the species may be wrong the exact species may be wrong but please if you can correct me then please comment on the comment box and correct me the exact species so genus one is Homalomena and one is PHILODENDRON. Thank you for watching.